Apple is about to do something they've never done before. For years, the Mac Mini was the forgotten child of the Mac family, the reliable, square silver box that sat under desks and handled the basics. But according to the latest supply chain leaks, the upcoming Mac Mini M5 is no longer just a budget desktop. It is being internally referred to as a studio killer. We are talking about a machine so small it fits in your palm, yet so powerful it's outperforming the M4 Max in specific AI and rendering tasks. If you're thinking about buying a Mac Mini right now, or even a high-end MacBook Pro, you need to stop. Because the M5 transition is the biggest architectural shift since the move from Intel to Apple Silicon, and today, we're breaking down why this beast is about to change everything. Before we dive into the Fusion architecture and the secret supercores that make this possible, we need to address the elephant in the room. Why is Apple moving production to Austin, Texas for this specific model? The answer tells us everything we need to know about the performance and the price. You're watching Tech Vibe, and this is the deep dive into the Mac Mini M5 that Apple didn't want you to see yet. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the M5 Silicon. While the M4 was an incredible chip focused on efficiency, the M5 is a ground-up reimagining built on a third-generation 3nm process. What does that mean for you? It means more transistors in less space with significantly less heat. But the real magic isn't just the size. It's the new GPU architecture. For the first time ever, Apple has integrated a dedicated neural accelerator inside every single GPU core. This isn't just a bump in speed, it's a 4x leap in peak GPU compute performance for AI tasks. If you use Topaz Video AI, Blender, or even local large language models, the base M5 Mac Mini is reportedly nearly 2 times faster than the M4. That is a generational leap we haven't seen in years. But there's a catch. And it's a catch that involves the Pro model. We've seen leaked benchmarks suggesting that the M5 Pro will debut a Fusion architecture. Think of this as 2 high-performance dies fused into a single system on a chip with zero latency. This is tech usually reserved for the Ultra chips found in the $4,000 Mac Studio. If Apple brings Fusion architecture to the Mac Mini Pro, the value proposition for the Mac Studio literally disappears overnight. Why would you spend thousands more when a sub-$1,000 Mac Mini Pro can handle 18-core CPU workloads with 30% more efficiency? Now, let's talk about the design. We all remember the massive physical redesign of the M4 Mac Mini, that tiny 5x5-inch footprint that made it the smallest desktop Apple has ever made. The M5 is keeping that ultra-compact form factor, but the internals are getting a massive thermal overhaul. Leaks suggest a new thermal pillar system. Since the M5 chip runs so efficiently, Apple is using the extra space inside to create a vacuum-sealed cooling chamber. This means even under 100% load during a 4K video export or a heavy 3D render, the M5 Mac Mini will remain completely silent. For creators in premium markets who value a dead-silent studio environment, this is the holy grail. But wait, there's a massive upgrade to the ports that almost nobody is talking about. While the standard M5 will feature Thunderbolt 4, the M5 Pro version is confirmed to support Thunderbolt 5. This isn't just a higher number. Thunderbolt 5 supports up to 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth. That is 3 times the speed of the previous generation. Imagine connecting a dual 6K monitor setup and a high-speed RAID drive through a single cable without a single drop in performance. For the market of professionals and power users, this turns the Mac Mini from a consumer device into a legitimate workstation. And speaking of pro features, let's talk about storage. One of the biggest complaints about Apple for the last decade has been the base-level storage. For too long, we've been stuck with 256 gigabytes. Well, the tide is finally turning. Industry insiders suggest that because the M5 requires more bandwidth to feed its AI accelerators, Apple is doubling the base storage to 512 gigabytes across the board. Not only is the capacity doubling, but the SSD speeds are jumping to a staggering 14 gigabytes per second. That makes it one of the fastest consumer drives on the planet, beating out almost Eve PC equivalent in its price bracket. So, when can you actually get your hands on one? Based on the current production cycles and the recent launch of the M5 MacBook Air, we are looking at a late 2026 release window for the Mac Mini. However, there is a strong rumor that Apple might pull the trigger earlier at a special October event. The reason? Competition. With Qualcomm and Intel finally catching up in the NPU and AI space, Apple cannot afford to wait. They want the Mac Mini M5 to be the flagship for Apple Intelligence in the home and office. Now, I want to talk about the price, because this is where things get controversial. There are reports that because of the move to US-based production in Texas and the doubling of base storage, the price might see a small premium hike. We could be looking at a starting price of $699 instead of $599. But before you get upset, consider what you're getting. You're getting a machine that rivals the Mac Studio, with double the storage, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and an AI-first architecture that is future-proofed for the next decade. In terms of value for money, the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be the best deal Apple has ever offered. Let's look at the professional audience for a second. If you're a developer, the M5 Pro is going to be your best friend. The new super cores in the CPU are designed for single-threaded tasks like code compilation and logic processing. We're seeing rumors of a 20% increase in multi-threaded performance. This means your code builds or your heavy virtual machines will run faster on this tiny box than they do on most full-size towers. And with support for up to 64 GB of unified memory on the Pro model, the memory anxiety of the past is officially over. But there is one specific feature that Apple is keeping very quiet about, and it's related to memory integrity enforcement. This is a new hardware-level security layer built directly into the M5 chip. It's designed to protect against the next generation of AI-driven cyber threats. For enterprise users and government contractors, this is going to be a mandatory upgrade. It shows that Apple isn't just thinking about speed, they're thinking about the changing landscape of global digital security. As we look at the competition, it's clear why the M5 is so aggressive. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just competing with other desktops, it's competing with the idea of a desktop itself. With its tiny size and massive power, it's becoming the ultimate brain for a clean, minimalist setup. Whether you're a student, a creative, or a developer, the Mac Mini M5 represents the pinnacle of invisible technology. It's there, it's powerful, but it never gets in the way. The leap to the M5 is about more than just numbers on a spec sheet. It's about a fundamental shift in how macOS operates. Apple is moving toward a future where every interaction is supplemented by local machine learning. The M5 is the first chip designed specifically to handle these complex neural networks without needing to send your data to a server. This level of privacy and speed is something the competition is still struggling to match. When you combine that with the legendary efficiency of Apple Silicon, you get a machine that provides workstation-class performance while drawing less power than a light bulb. Apple has a history of resetting the market every few years. They did it with the original iPhone, they did it with the M1 chip, and now, they are doing it with the M5 architecture. The Mac Mini is no longer the cheap Mac. It is the most efficient, most advanced, and arguably the most important computer in Apple's 2026 lineup. It's the silent assassin that's about to take down the competition and even some of its own siblings. We are entering a new era of personal computing where AI isn't just a buzzword, it's woven into the very silicon of your machine. The M5 Mac Mini is the first true AI desktop, and from everything we've seen, it's going to be a masterpiece. We'll be keeping a very close eye on the shipping manifests from Austin and the leaks from Cupertino as we get closer to the launch date. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, it really helps the channel reach more tech enthusiasts like you. We've got a lot more coming on the M5 Pro and the rumored M5 Ultra Mac Studio, so you definitely don't want to miss those. Subscribe to Tech Vibe and turn on those notifications so you're the first to know when the next L.E. drops. What do you think? Is the Mac Mini M5 a studio killer, or is $699 too much for a base model? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, we read every single one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one as we continue to track the future of tech. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. This is Tech Vibe, signing off.